Yo, what is going on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free gift card codes for PlayStation, guys. This will allow you to get codes for the PlayStation Market and for PlayStation Plus, guys, so you can get all that for free, guys. Before we get into this tutorial, guys, I have this red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away, so if you want to win this, guys, just like, subscribe, and then comment why you want the phone. Let's get into this tutorial.
So if you want to learn how to do this, guys, just follow these simple steps. Just open up Google and then type in the URL at the top, odexgen.com. odexgen.com. And then once you get here, it should look something like this. So what you guys want to do is just scroll down until you see the PS4 app, guys. So once you see it, just go ahead and click on that, guys. And it's going to say app tweaking required, and you're going to see an orange button that says download PS4 So just go ahead and click this orange button, guys, and it's going to say tweaking app. So what this is doing, guys, is just preparing your phone to download this PS4 code generator. Alrighty, guys, then it's going to say preparing human verification. So what this means, guys, is it's going to send you to a CAPTCHA completion challenge, or in other words, a human verification test to make sure that you're a person and not a robot. Because what people like to do is they'll send robots to this site, they'll grab the free codes, and then they will sell them online, guys. So all you have to do to verify that you're human is complete the 4 simple offers that you guys see right here with apps. Install each app and run each app for 30 seconds. And then if you get a survey, then all you have to do is click on the survey and then answer a few simple questions, guys. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you how to do an app, guys. Just click on the app and then it will send you directly to the app store. So guys, all you need to do once you're here is just install this app, and once it's installed, just go ahead and open it up, guys, and then just run it for 30 seconds. You don't have to log in or make an account or none of that. You just have to run it for 30 seconds, guys. So guys, once 30 seconds is up, all you need to do is go back to your offers and complete the rest of your offers, guys. So once you've completed all 4 offers, then the PS4 code generator app will be downloaded to your phone.
Alrighty, guys, so once you've completed that full process that I just showed you and completed the 4 simple offers, then you should have the PlayStation gift card code generator app downloaded to your phone, guys. So let me know how this worked out for you guys down in the comment section below. And if you have any issues, guys, just drop your social media down there, and I'll be sure to DM you guys and help you fix whatever problems you guys are having. And once again, before I go, guys, I have this red iPhone XR that I'm going to be giving away. So if you want to win this, guys, just like, subscribe, and comment why you want the phone, guys. Alrighty, I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and thank you all for watching.